Always a Find is a store that buys, sells, and now rents items that are gently used. Always a Find is here for your shopping convenience. We carry a variety of gently used items for children of all ages. Shop small with us and find many ways to save on accessories that you will need for the new bundle of joy. Before you know it, every baby will outgrow their clothes and toys, and that's why we carry a variety of infant accessories, including cribs, strollers, stuffed animals, children's books, and shoes for both genders and all sizes. Come in and bring last season's clothes and shop for this season with our great, affordable prices. Our customers are welcome to come in as often as they want, as our inventory is constantly changing. Come check out our family-owned and operated business. We are located conveniently at 1450 East Prater Way, Suite 114. Or you can also go to our website, alwaysafindllc.com, to scope out our collection and quality before you get to the store. Feel free to give us a call at 775-384-1306. And remember, when you have kids shopping in mind, you can always bet on Always a Find.